Alright, welcome Homeschool Haven children. This is the first of a series of videos that are going to be available to you on the website that I designed and gave you a link to. And basically the purpose of these videos is going to be to give you guys access to some more in-depth look at the techniques that we learn in class. Because really the truth is, what I show you in class is great, and you get some practice while I'm there, but you're really only going to get good if you practice. So for those of you who are interested, feel free to look at these videos and follow along with what I'm doing, and it kind of gives you sort of a more in-depth look at what we're doing in class. And today we learned about doing perspective drawings, or I should say last class you learned about doing perspective drawings. So what I'm going to do is a series of videos that'll take you step by step on how to create perspective and the certain elements of it, and then I'll get to more advanced stuff too. So remember, just like in class, you need a ruler. I'm using an architecture scale right here, but a ruler will do. And then I have a pencil, and then you have your eraser, and of course you have your paper. And remember, with perspective, what you're going to want to do is always have a vanishing point. And remember, that is the point which everything seems to be vanishing to, right? So let's say it's right here. That means that is going to be the line that no matter where you are, no matter what shape you draw, you're going to have all of the lines go to this point, okay? No matter what side that's on. So let's say we just do a square. We'll start simple. Okay? What you're going to do is you're going to look at, see it has 4 corners? Each of those corners you're going to line up with the vanishing point like this. And then you're going to draw a line. That is all there is to it. Super, super easy. Let's try another one. It's a triangle, right? So you're going to go each corner. And I could do this one if I want to. I suppose I'll do it on this one just so you can see what it looks like. See, now it looks like three-dimensional, almost like it's see-through, right? But that is the basics of perspective. This is the easiest way to kind of get used to do it. You can do it with a lot of shapes, though. You don't have to do just a square. I mean, you can do really complex shapes, like, let's say, that. Well, you could take this to, whoop. Alright, do that. And here's another one. Here's another one. Whoa! And if you wanted to, again, you could go and do these back ones. I'm not going to. I just want to keep it like that. You guys see how that works? It makes it look like it's coming out at you. Again, they all go to that vanishing point right here. So, great way to practice, again, is to just take random shapes. And, just, again, connect the corner to the vanishing point. And it doesn't matter where it is. It can be anywhere. If the vanishing point is down here, then all of your lines will go down there. Hey, let's do this. It's kind of cool. It's kind of neat. Create kind of a neat effect. And then let's connect this one here. There. There's the basics right there. Basics of perspective. So again, just try it out, experiment. You just take a random sheet of paper. Maybe you can even try your name. What if you did like J E F F. Forgot how to spell my name. And you can just boop, go like that. Makes it look like your name is coming out at you. Right? Look at that. Look at that J. Looks crazy. And see how when you're moving on either side of the vanishing point, your lines change direction. And just connect. Alright. See how that's working? It's quite easy once you get the hang of it. That F looks pretty good, I think. That's probably the best thing about it. But you can just keep going that way. That's, again, really good way to practice, is just to do it this way. It's pretty simple technique. So I'll move on to the next phase, but that's the 1 point perspective, which means there's 1 point and everything goes to that 1 point. Next, I will give you a more in-depth look at 2 point perspective. Stay tuned for that.